Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making country chicken curry on smart pot. On saute mode, oil 3 tablespoon, onion paste 1 cup, saute for 3 minutes until raw smell is gone. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, saute for 2 minutes. Country chicken 1 kg with bones. Turmeric half tablespoon, cumin powder 1 tablespoon, black pepper 1 tablespoon, red chilli powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, salt as per taste, tomato paste half cup. Mix everything, saute for 3 minutes. Curd 1/4 cup. Mix everything. Water 1 cup. Close the lid. Pressure cook mode for 20 minutes. Coriander on top. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya, bye.